Good morning, guys. Dave Santarelli. Let me go check this out, put this in the trade room. Good morning. Alrighty, there we go. Just shared that in the trade room. Give a couple of minutes for some members to get in. 7 minutes into the day. Already seeing some puts come in. Put sweeps on General Motors. They're picking up some Pfizer calls here. Let's take a look what Pfizer's looking like. Notice Ulta. Let's go over some of the trades quick. Ulta's still holding above that yellow 10-day SMA, which is great. That's what we're watching for. Nike still in breakout momentum, up 29 cents, 0.31% for the day. Let's take a look here. Disney, we're going to be watching this for another entry once she pulls back a little bit more, and then we see the next breakout momentum from that 10 or 20 SMA. This is going to be a great one to watch, though, because I heard they're close to 20 million subscribers now. So I'm definitely going to be watching Disney for next swing trade. And we're probably going to be looking at, here's Disney coming through right now. Disney call sweeps coming in, call sweeps coming in. Let's take a look at the today 1 minute here. Once we get that first candle above that 10, that's when I might enter into some Disney for a swing trade. See how it's going. Altria, they're picking up some puts, and that's some of the makers of that jewel that's been, banned. Certain of those cartridges. They're buying some puts on Altria. AMD, they're picking up the 45 call sweeps. We're going to be taking a look at AMD soon. 45, that's out of the money there. What's AMD doing today? AMD up another 50 cents today. Continued breakout momentum on AMD. It's still in the breakout momentum cycle and phase. Breakout momentum cycle is right here. You guys know I don't want to go over that, the details of that, but the cycle 1020 cross, we're in breakout momentum, and then here we had some consolidation down to the 10, and we broke out again. Just going to be watching today for some possible swing trades. I'm watching the watch list above here. CMG's up 1.42% today, back up to 765.39. AMD's breaking $39. Let's see here. Gold having a little spike today, up 1.57%. MCD. Nvidia has taken another climb here. That one was down earlier. This one might be. And take a look, guys. Came right down to that 20 SMA. And now she's getting a bounce higher here. So Nvidia is one that I'm probably going to be entering for a swing trade going into the December 20th expo. I like this, and I'm going to be keeping an eye on this. This one just had a bunch of upgrades as well. We could take a look at the option chain now, get some trade ideas on it. Let's take a look. If I wanted to do something here, I'd do the December 20th. Gives us plenty of time. And again, it's still too early to do it right now. Earliest I'd probably do it is around 10:30 if I did this and she continued to bounce off the 20. I'd be looking at something like the 205 strike. Going for 8, so that's 220. So at 220, we'd have about a 100% return. Or we could simply do something like an in-the-money vertical spread here. Instead of 220 for max gains of 100%, we could do the 205 or the 207.50, 210, which I think would be pretty good. Buy to open, sell to open. Let's just see what it's going for here. December 20th. If we went for the 207.50, 210, that's going for $1.13, we can say. So 2.5. Excuse me. So she's at $1.10 right now. So we'll use $1.13. So 2.5, divide that by 1.13. This would have a max gain of 121.24%, which isn't bad. And that we only need above 210. So you could see the difference between the call and the spread there. With the call, if we got the 205 strike, our break evens, the strike price 205 plus what we paid. So if we pay 840, so that's going to be 213.40. So 213.40 plus another 830, and then we have 100% gain. So it's going to be close to 220. Disney's starting to break. We have the first candle above the 10 SMA here. So keep an eye on Disney now. It's the first time we've had a candle above the 10 for the day, except the opening candle there. So keep an eye. Nice breakout here. I'm going to be looking at Disney as well. I think we made 2 Disney trades. Both of them did really well. I'm going to be looking at December. I really want to go with the March, go into their earnings a little bit. And that's dirt cheap in my opinion. I really think that's pretty cheap. 145. So around 160, we'll see 100%. And there's a good chance we could see Disney at $200 a share, in my opinion, on a good earnings report. So I think I'm going to pick these up. And again, if you want to do something simple, you could go like a December 20th, and you can do, I'm sure they're going to be gifting these for Christmas quite a bit over the holidays. So if you wanted to do the 144, 145 spread, it's only going to cost 48 cents to be worth $1, and that's a max net gain of 1. Divide that by 0.48. That's a gain there of 108.33%, which isn't bad at all. Matter of fact, I like this trade quite a bit. Let's take a look at the 6-month daily. Yeah, there's a good chance she's going to be above 145. I like that consolidation we're seeing today. And if we get a breakout above today's high at 930, then I am going to be entering into a trade probably for this week or probably next week's expo, going into Black Friday. Under Armour, they're picking up the 1750 strike calls. 1,000 at 49 cents, so $49,000 trade. They're picking up the option or the Microsoft calls as well here. Disney's starting to break out, guys. I'm going to pick up some regular calls on Disney. I'm going to go with the December 29th expo, I think. Let's see here, 4 or 5. I'm going to pick up the 145 strike calls for the November 29th. I'll pick up the December 20th. Let's see, 145.
Charlie Romeo Tango.
I'd rather have that time on my side. I'm going to do this, guys. Disney's starting to run again. I'm going to pick up the December 20th expo. Gives us plenty of time, 145. We'll pick it up we'll put it in order for 340. I'm not worried about that. 10 contracts. It's going to be a $3,400 trade. Let's see if we could get in at that price. I am in. I'm in 10 contracts. Here is the picture of the trade.
QD, December 6th, call sweep.
As you can see, it was a $3,400 trade. We got in for $3.39 or $339 a contract. We got 10 contracts, so that's a $3,400 trade right there. So again, we got the December 20th. We picked up the Disney December 20th, 2019, 145 straight call, and we put in a net debit limit order of $3.39, and we're going to be watching that over the next week now. We're already up 4% on this trade, guys. We're already up over $100. We are now up $200, $205. Here is the trade. We're now up 6% in the matter of a minute. And we're still continuing to climb now. We're breaking new highs right now. We're now up $255 and climbing. We're up $255 right now. We are currently up 7.51%. We were in at 339. Last traded 361. We have a bit of 360, asset 370. We're still continuing to climb here. Here's Disney over to the right. Still in breakout momentum. We just had the SMA's cluster, and we are now breaking out, and we have our confirmation of our next breakout and continued climb. Here we go. Another continued run. Nice climb for Disney. 360 by 370, bid in the ask. We're now up $280. We're now up $330. Here is the trade. We're now up $380. She's still continuing to run. We're up already 11.19% in the matter of 1, 2, 3, about 4 minutes. We're up $380. Now we're still up. We're up $404 right now. Still continuing to climb. Looking great here. Nice breakout for Disney. And I bet you that was the quickest $405 you've ever made in your life right there. That was literally a 5-minute trade. We're in. We're still up. We're still climbing. It was just up $429 there. Disney's still climbing, still breaking out. I hope you guys got into that trade. I really hope you got in. That's going to continue to run there for the day. Loving that setup. Still up $330. That's the most nicest way to make a quick $400. There we go. Let's see that next climb. Nvidia is starting to break out again too, guys. We're getting a nice run on tech. Nice run. Nvidia is having a nice run here, guys. Take a look at Nvidia. And Nvidia is one of those ones that's been down. This is an easy money maker here, guys. Nvidia is going to continue to run. Because, see, what I'm looking at here, I'm expecting this candle to get back up to resistance of at least 210. So that's another $2.70 climb. So we could look at this. We could put on this option chain, go to columns here. We could put in the delta, add that. Okay, and then we could see here with Nvidia, and guys, this is a great lesson right here. If we picked up the November 22nd, let's say we picked up the 207.50, this has a delta of 0.508. So if we pick this up for 388 and she increased by $2.50, 250, multiply that by 0.51, that's at least $1.75, so it'll be worth at least $5.50. So 550, divide that by 3.7, and that's your gain you're looking at. And that's how you could correctly and profitably trade from support and resistance candles.
Kilo Romeo Tango X-ray.
Disney's having a little bit of a retracement here, back down to the 10. And then I'm going to watch for that next climb. This Nvidia trade, though, I'm telling you, this is a really nice trade setup. If you wanted to pick up the 207.50, matter of fact, I might do that for the November 29th expo. I like that. I'll pick that up. Now it's consolidating. So the way you would exit this trade, or any of these trades, for example, NVIDIA, first candle that's closing below that blue 20 SMA, you're out of that trade. So you have to have discipline, and you have to be disciplined and patient there. If you're gonna manage this trade successfully, like I said, your stop first candle below the 20, and then your target's gonna be at least 210, maybe up to 212. So that's what I'd be looking for if I jump into that NVIDIA trade, which I might get into shortly here. Just going to watch the markets for a bit. It's only 9:52, only 22 minutes into the day. Our Disney trade's still up $330. Now let's watch what she does at the 10. NVIDIA's still looking great. Qualcomm's failing at that 1020 right now and making new lows. Still holding right around that $90, which is why we picked up the $92.50 for the December 20th expo. I like that. Guys, take a look. What did we just say about Disney? When she was retracing, watch the video. Rewind it for the past 4 minutes here. We said we're probably going to see a retracement back down to that 10 and then a possible climb. We're getting that green candle now. Let's see what happens here with Disney. If she starts to run again, I might add to this trade. But perfect trade plan to a T. Retracement back down to that 10. NVIDIA climbing again. I'm expecting Disney will do the same. Walmart's having a really nice breakout here. Let's take a look at Walmart over here quick. Take a look at this breakout here on Walmart. That's a huge climb here. 118.50 all the way up to almost 120. Gonna keep an eye on Walmart as well. Let's see what the 6-month daily looks like here. Easy back up to 121. Disney's getting that bounce off that 10. There she goes. She's starting to climb. Our Disney trade's up $355. Up 10.45%. Bought in 339, last trade 375, bid of 370, ask of 380. Continued run off the 10. We're up 380. $380 profit so far. Unrealized 11.19%. And that's watching this chart over here. Disney is holding above that 10 perfectly. Notice how that 10 is acting as support. We're now up $405. There we go. There's a big breakout. We're now up $455. Continued run, continued breakout, $480, $505.
$65 call sweep and SQ Sandy.
We're now up $505 on our Disney trade, literally in 15 minutes. 15% gain so far. Still starting to climb here. Just up $550 now. Continue to watch that breakout. But this is that trade right here, guys. Incredible breakout momentum on Disney. She's still running here, still climbing. Bid of 385, ask of 395. We're now up almost $600 on this trade. We're up $579.84, up 17.08%. And you know what? This is one of those trades we could just lock in some profits now and be happy. That's $600 that we just made, and we could easily get into another trade there in a moment. I put in that limit order for $395, and it just filled, and we are now up Here it is. And that was our first trade for a Monday. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. $549.57 profit. She's still running. Now she's at $4 by 405.
Communications with their
still on the climb.
Michael.
Nice job there, guys. What a trade. I'm going to be entering into another Disney trade, but this time I'm going to get probably the March Expo. I think she's going to really start to climb again, up already 8.84%. So what I could do now is I could go in here and I could pick up a trade for the December 20th Expo. Maybe I might even want to get December 29th Expo here. It doesn't look too bad. Wow, that's NVIDIA there. Let's take a look at Disney. November 29th, 146, $2. So you need this at 151 for 100% gain here if you're picking up the 146 strike, which to me is insane. I mean, it's definitely doable, but that's a short period of time. That's why I'd rather go with the December 20th. I'll probably pick up the 146 now. Let's see what the February 20th. How many of you guys took your profits on Disney? How many of you guys were in the trade? I'd like to see. Disney 405 by 410 now. Here it is here, that trade we were in. We sold for $395, 405 by 410. Paula, you talk about exiting early, but you know, to me, I'd rather have that profit in because we know just as well how quick it could go against us there. So we locked in, what, a nice 15% gain or 20% gain. Happy with that. Let's see here. I'm going to look. The 145 strike call for the February 21st Expo. Let's see when they report their earnings one more time here. Last time I checked was last week. DIS. Earnings. November, December, January. February 3rd is their earnings. So the February 21st Expo is fine. I'm going to pick these up. I like this trade a lot. Quite a bit here. February 21st, 145. Going for, we'll put in 7.5, see if that fills. I doubt it will, but I'll put in an order for, let's see, what do I want to do? I'll put in an order for 5 contracts for now. That'll be a $30-some $100 trade.
Coming
see
up,
if that
the
fills.
NAHB Housing Market Index, that's at 10 a.m.
That did not fill. I'm going to increase that a little bit. Disney's starting to break out again. That should fill. Alrighty, guys. I am now in the new Disney trade. This is going to go into earnings, okay?
70, the number versus the 71 estimate.
Here is the trade I just picked up on Disney. This is the second trade, but this is going to be a swing trade. And this is going to go well into next year. February 21st Expo, 145 strike. I feel like this is going to be an easy 100% plus gainer. You know, that's my opinion. And I'm going to be adding another 5 contracts to that this week. And I'm going to keep adding to this trade as we go here. I like Disney. I'm a big fan of this long term. I think their subscription growth is going to skyrocket for the holidays. I personally just downloaded Disney Plus, and my 3-year-old loves it. We must have watched Frozen 6 times this weekend. We watched Toy Story, and then we watched this football one that they had on there. That was really neat. So Sophie loved it. The kids loved it. I loved it. I think they're going to have huge growth there just from that subscription alone. So I'm going to continue to watch the news on that. I think I heard they're closing in on 20,000 subscribers on that Disney Plus platform already. So this is just going to be the start. Small $3,800 trade. Going to be adding at least another 12,000 to that over the coming weeks and month. Disney's still starting to climb here. Our trade that we just made is now green. up $10, and this is the Disney February 21st 145 strike. So keep an eye on that. That's our swing trade. And that's doing really great here. Disney's continuing to run, continuing to break out, and that's looking great. Marla Curley even said her 22-year-old got the subscription and made her think. I think it's a great platform. You know, they have a lot of great movies on there. Now they got to start, you know, also putting up some adult content, I think. You know, they got a lot of the Disney movies up there, which were great. We started watching Aladdin as well. You know, brought back a lot of memories. I used to collect the Disney cassette tapes or VHS tapes. Here we go. Here's the trade we just made on Disney. Disney's still having a huge run here. Tom Taglog said he got into the NVIDIA trade he's talking about. He's already up $185. That's great. And those of you that aren't a member, here's what we have. Santarelli Exchange, we have our Trade Coach, YouTube Live, we have our live trade room, which is this, and then we have our live trade feed, which is great. You'll get all of our trade alerts. Tom already made the NVIDIA trade we were talking about. He's up $185. Marla's 22-year-old got the subscription on Disney, which is great. Our Disney trade still continuing to climb. Up $60 already on the Disney calls, and that was a small trade, $3,900 trade. Disney February 20. These are going to be golden. I'm telling you guys right now. I should even add another 4,000 to this now. This is going to be an incredible trade. I think we might even see Disney at 150 in the next week. Great job, Tom, with the NVIDIA trade. He got in the NVIDIA trade we were just talking about, which is great. That looked wonderful. Let's see what that Disney trade was at. We sold for 3.95. It's now at 455. 445 by now 450 by 460. We sold it at 395. I had 10 contracts, so I sold for $3,950. Right now, I could probably get $4,560 for it. So I missed out on about an extra $650 already on this trade. So I would have more than doubled my profit had I held that Disney when we sold right around here.
Netflix off the highs.
Netflix is making new highs. Guys, Disney is a big one. I'm telling you, this is going to be one of those big trades. Disney is going to continue to break out much higher, in my opinion. She's already consolidating and ready for that next breakout. In my opinion, based on this chart, how it looks, it's my opinion that it's going to climb back up to, close to 149, 150 this week. It looks like she's already retracing. 2 days of profit taking, now she's starting to climb again. Guys, give this video a thumbs up for me on YouTube. Would really appreciate that. And please start commenting on these videos too. Let's start some interaction. The more we communicate and work together, I think the better off we'll all be. NVIDIA's having a huge breakout here. Wow, up 2.5% for the day. What did I tell you, Tom? Tom got in that back when I said. Tom, what are you up on that trade right now? Look at that breakout. What a mover. Nice way to start Monday. No, I don't think Disney's going to be rated R. Look at this continued breakout momentum on NVIDIA. Continued climb, guys.
PayPal.
Tom, what are you in?
Weekly 104 call sweep.
How much are you up on now on that trade, Tom? What candle did you get in?
Call sweep in Microsoft.
Microsoft call sweeps coming in. PayPal, guys, the holiday trend is coming. Look at what we're seeing being bought up here. PayPal, we're seeing Square being bought up. Let's take a look at PayPal chart. PYPL.
RQ, January 7.5.
Look at it's finally trading above the 10, 20, 50 SMA. This is an easy one, back up to 105 to 107.50, and then probably from now to December 20th, probably up to 110. That's going to be our resistance. So some nice moves here, guys. Really nice moves. Our Nike trade's doing really great. Nike is up 0.3%, up 28 cents for the day. PayPal, Microsoft, AMD, they're still buying them up. Let's take a look at Microsoft, MSFT. Microsoft is retracing here. It's in BDM, so the people that are picking up the Microsoft calls, you know that that's not a good entry point because it's in BDM. It's still breaking lower, just ticked lower now. There we go, another new low for the day. So when you're entering into these call sweeps, when you're seeing them, wait until you see the breakout momentum, the bomb cycle, bomb phase. Disney's still continuing to climb here. Disney's having another run. Disney's climbing off that 10 once again. Disney, breakout momentum, retraced back down to that 10 SMA, held support there, breakout momentum, came down to that 10, there's no confirmation candle, climbing now, starting to break out. Our Disney 145 straight calls are now up over 1% again, and continuing to climb. Disney's looking good. Like I said, my target on Disney is about 150 for the week, or at least by November 29th Expo. Thank you, Marla, I appreciate that. I'm not really advertising the live videos yet. I've been trying to get things focused, working properly, and we got the new site that's ready to launch. It'll be out this week. Jerry Rashenko chased Disney a bit more than he likes, still up 15% on 5 contracts. Jerry, did you get the same expo as me, or what expo did you get? Good job. Karen Decker, she's with us from, what islands are you in? She's somewhere that's like 14 hours away from us. I think it's like midnight there right now. She's up 10.42% on NVIDIA from last week. Thank you, Jay, for putting that like in. Now, see, Microsoft still going lower there. So when I saw that come up on the screener, if it was just starting the breakout momentum cycle, I might enter then. But MasterCard, 270 puts. Ulta, guys, here comes Ulta. Ulta, they're buying the November 29, 250 straight calls. No. Ulta's starting to climb now as well. I love when we watch this. Let's take a look here. Let's start to climb here. There's the SMAs converging. When you get that first candle above, let's say 245.23, if you get a body above 245.23, there's a good chance she's going to run for the day there. Right now, she's down $2.24, down 0.83% for the day. Disney's consolidating again right around the 20 SMA, so we're going to wait for that next either breakout or breakdown. NASDAQ's down 20 points, and Dow Jones is up, up 13 points. So not too much going on yet, but we were picking on the right stocks here. That's what's great. I just ordered some Starbucks from DoorDash. Didn't have my coffee this morning. Need that. Not DoorDash, I think Postmates. Let me see where. Yep, Postmates. That's what I got from. I don't know why. Postmates is the only one that has like Starbucks and stuff like that on there. It's killer when you're getting a $50 Starbucks order each morning. Alrighty, let's see here. Gold up 0.66%. That retraced a little bit. Nvidia's slowing down. Ulta. More selling pressure coming in. Disney's still holding that 20. Sudiker said MU, Micron, is moving higher. Let's take a look. Micron's looking really great there, Sudiker. Let's take a look. This is the today 1 minute. Let's change it to the swing trade chart. This is looking really nice, Sudiker. 49 to 50 is the target. At least another dollar climb. MU, if we took a look at the November 29th, we could pick up the 48 strike for $1.19. That's really cheap. That's a good looking chart right here. Good looking option chain, November 29th. There goes Disney again, guys. Disney just broke out consolidation. Next green candle is going to be confirmed breakout. So keep an eye on Disney. Nope, still consolidating so far. Oh, take a look at Qualcomm. That's on my other screen right here. That one's having the crossover. Take a look how nice this one's looking. This one's just having the 10-20 cross. Let's see if we get that candle above that 50. Oh, Jay, they got this chicken sandwiches back, you're saying. Popeyes, he ordered on Postmates. $30 for 2 chicken sandwich combos. That's not bad, though, right? That's probably what you're going to pay in the store. For me, the convenience is what does it for me.
Company with CEO McDermott.
But then again, that's how you put on the weight really quick. When you're sitting at the computer all day trading, and then you have that money, you know, it's so easy. So you're like, yeah, let me order this. You get it delivered to you, and then there goes your activity for the day. You're not leaving the house or the office. Looks like we might be breaking lower here. 10-20 crosses coming up. QCOM so far, it's not breaking above that 50 SMA, so remember that. Might have a little bit of a retracement coming. Just watching that.
Shares of SAP dropping to the low 133.
Ulta's still looking good.
Headline from Handelsblatt says that SAP has terminated the contract of their CEO.
Not sure what you mean, Jay.
And shares
$30 for 2 chicken sandwich combos. I don't think that's too bad. The 1%ers. Oh, that's funny. AMD still ripping. Let's take a look at AMD. Nice climb there. No doubt this one's going to 40. They were picking up, what, the 45 straight calls? That's insane. This one's having a huge breakout, though. What a climb. Jay, that's not a bad idea. He said he's thinking about buying $5,000 worth of AMD shares. What I like doing is when I'm buying shares, I like to buy in blocks of 100. That way you could actually sell some covered calls against them. Guys, look down below here. Disney option alert, January 17th, 150 calls. 663 of them just bought at $3.40. Maybe that's one of our members here buying them that we just talked about. Let's see, 663 by 340. That's a $225,000 trade. You have the AMD 45 straight calls for January. Wow. That's seriously out of the money there. But look at what it did. It was just at 27.50, a month ago, literally a month ago. So definitely a mover there.
shares of Snap. Snap off the highs now, ticking a bit lower. CEO currently on CNBC.
You can enter Reunion Community at 1600 Reunion Boulevard and then follow your GPS to my house. The guards will give you a pass at the gate. There comes Disney. Candle above the 20. Still breaking higher for AMD. Nice job on that one, Jay. Look at that continued climb for AMD. New highs again. Disney's starting to run.
LYFT, Get, announcing strategic partnership with Lyft. All Juno riders will be invited to join Lyft.
he give me a kiss last night?
That's LYFT.
No. No. Do you like Paul or what's his name? Rodrigo? What's his name? No. Close. Pedro. Paul or Pedro? No. When we went to the bathroom last night, he told me he only makes $1,600 per month, and he said he's very tight with money. He doesn't like to spend, period. He was telling me he wishes you could buy your own flight to go see him, period. So just know that he doesn't have money, but he seems like a nice guy, period.
LK, Luckin Coffee, making more new highs today, 28.25. Lima Kilo up about 4.5% on LK.
6,000 reals per month. Me? I make that many reais per month. Wow. That's how many reais per month I make. Just watch for him, okay? Be careful with him. I don't know that guy. Still another nice climb on Disney. A little bit slower though than before. Waiting for that next breakout. We might see a little bit coming up here. AMD still looking good. You got me enticed for a trade on AMD, Jay. But I'd go out with a little bit further with AMD. Personally, I think it's ready to retrace soon. So I might hold off a little bit on that one. Qualcomm, though, is still holding that 1020. Volta's still pretty flat. Walmart is still breaking higher, guys. Did you guys see the move on Walmart today? Look at this, up 1.41%. If we look at the 3-month, there's no doubt in my mind this one wants to go back up to 125. And you know what? I'm going to enter into a Walmart trade here. I'm liking this setup. I'm going to go with the December 20th monthly expo. First, let me pull up here, make sure there's nothing coming up with the stock itself. February 18th, next earnings. Dividends on December 1st. I think I'm going to pick up some Walmart here. I'll probably pick up that 120 strike as well. December 20th, 120 strike. Look at the volume on that. 1,673 open interest, 12,694. You know, many more call buyers and put buyers. I'm going to pick up 10 contracts of this for now as well. I'll add to that as we go later this week. And we are in that trade now as well, guys. Here is the trade we just made on Walmart. We got the 120 straight call. We paid $2.37 a contract. It's at 234 by 237. Disney is starting to break higher again, guys. Here's the next rollout for Disney. I think we could see Disney easily up 2% today.
Major fiscal stimulus next year.
So nice climb there, guys. That's the trade we just made. I'm going to type that in the trade room now. Tom, thank you for that text. I'm going to give you guys what it's at right now. That way you guys could get in a little bit cheaper than what I got it at. I paid $237. It's at $231 by $233 now for the Walmart 120 strike. We'll keep an eye on that. Look at the candle there on Disney. Of course, Walmart as well here on the Today 1 Minute.
IGLD, Internet Gold Company's earnings report out now.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Jay.
JMIA, Jumia, suspends e-commerce business in Cameroon. That, according to statement, says a transactional portal not suitable to the current context in Cameroon. That is a statement from the company. Continues to operate classified portal Jumia deals in Cameroon. That's JMIA.
Let me go see. I'm at the house today working. I'm going to be taking my wife for the immigration biometrics today. So let me go ask her what time we're leaving for that. Guys, our new Disney trade is already up 10%. We're up $390 on the new Disney trade. Here before we were up 1.87, $72. Now we are up $384, $385, and we're up 9.93%. Amazing run over here to the right on Disney. Still continuing to run. We're going to see new highs on that here. $397 now, 42. We're up over $410 now. And this is the new trade. And this one's for the February 21st. We're up $410 on the new trade. And we're already up $549.57 realized on the other trade. And this one's still continuing to run. I just got my Postmates. They forgot my wife's coffee, so she's going to go get some. Here it is. We're continuing to run. Now our Walmart trade is in the green now as well, guys. And we are kicking butt on a Monday. Here we go. Walmart, December 20th, 120 strikes. We're up 0.41%. We're still continuing to climb now with that. Here we go. We're already up over $500. Walmart's still running here. Nice run on Walmart. Continuing to break out. Continuing to run. And we're up now 2.31% on the Walmart calls. Up $55 on that. And on the Disney calls, up $485. Up 12.51% on that trade. Incredible day already, guys. Incredible day. Plus our realized profit we already have on Disney we sold this morning. Disney's still continuing to run here. Look at this. Wow, she's still running. $547 now we're up on Disney. $572.42 we're now up. Let's take a look at this trade. We're up $572.42, up 14.76%. We're still breaking higher here. Now we're up $600 on our Disney trade. Unbelievable on Disney. Nice climb there, guys. Walmart's starting to climb again. Guys, we're now up over 16% on our Disney trade we just made. Up over 2% on Walmart. We're up almost $700 unrealized. Plus the $549.57 we realized from this morning. Hey guys, those of you that are on our YouTube channel, I would like to see Dave Gallo. I'm just reading the comments now. I'm usually in the trade room, guys. So let me see here on the YouTube chat. Jerry Rashinko, morning, Dave. Jorge Nunez, morning, bud. Happy to be here. Great to have you as well. Geo Gaming, morning, Dave. Good morning, Geo Gaming. They're talking about Netflix, Boeing. Is anyone here on the YouTube chat still in the Disney trades from this morning? Jerry Rashinko says, if you're not a member, seriously, WTF is wrong with you. I like that one, Jerry. Thank you. Disney climbing off that 10 SMA right now. Our Nike trade is doing phenomenal. Big gains on our Nike spread. You guys are still in our Nike spread, right? We have the November 29, 93, 94 vertical call spread. Really nice breakout today, guys. Let's see. Zamboni. I drive at Zamboni. Message retracted. I am here now. Sorry if I wasn't communicating with you guys in there earlier. I was in the trade room. Skyjack, AMD on the move. That's probably from earlier as well. Anyone in the trade room, or I'm sorry, on YouTube, want to see anything? Thank you guys for the likes on YouTube. I like that. Please give this YouTube channel a like here. This video means a lot. Wilker Enterprise. Yes, still in Disney from this morning. She's up 56%. Nice job on that. Tom, what are you up on that Disney trade? In the YouTube chat here. How much are you up on the Disney trade? The first one we got in. Because the second one I'm up 16% on. So that one this morning, I think that one should be up much more. Thank you, Jerry. Wait until you guys see this new website we're building. I literally worked my tail off this entire weekend. Actually got 2 sites coming up. Unite. He's been with us for quite a while. He said sign up if you haven't. And guys, you could go to our website, thesantorelliexchange.com. Use promo code TRADELIVE. I think that one's still going on there. We put expiration dates on them, so I think that one's still live until the end of the year. Tom, you're up 463% on that, or $463? I like usually knowing the percent on those. Our Disney trade's still climbing, up $610 on Disney. Skyjack's up 71% on Disney. Great job. Tom, is that your son? Disney's on the move again here. Here's another climb, up $630 on the Disney trade. This is the second Disney trade we're made. Up about 17%. Up 71% on Disney. Incredible. Tom's up $463. Skyjack's up 71% on it. Wilker Enterprises up 56. That's how I like to start a morning. Great job today, guys. And now the most important thing, don't force trades. You know, we're already up over $1,000, up $1,500 for the day.
CST 100 Starliner and keeping International Space Station crewed and operational.
There's another climb on Disney. Another breakout.
Conclusions about the CST 100 Starliner pricing and readiness. That's BA Boeing.
Guys, I'm going to have to leave here in about 10 minutes. I have to go for her biometrics at the, what is it called? Customs and Immigration Services, UCIS. We have to go downtown Orlando on some more and drive down there, so that's going to be a good hour drive. No, I don't see anything on Boeing either. I think my daughter just broke one of my laptops in there. I just heard it smash. It'll be like the 5th one this year. Walmart's finally entering BDM. Cross 1020 below. Now it's got support right here at 120. Let's say 120.20. So if you get a candle below 120.20, good chance she might retrace back down to support back down here from earlier this morning. You know, down to 119.86. So keep an eye on that. That's how you can make these quick moves in and out of trades. Walmart still looks great on a daily chart, though. So if you're in that for long term, you're still in it. But if you're day trading it, then you'd be looking for a possible exit. Disney's still climbing, still in breakout momentum, retracing at the 10.
Shorter lead time and flexibility in adjusting launch dates are well worth the higher price.
I appreciate the thumbs up on the videos, guys. Marco Rossi said, great profits today, Dave. Thank you, Marco. And we're going to continue doing this. As you guys see, there's a lot less stress on my plate here, so we're finally able to trade. And I hope you guys respect the fact that when I'm not trading, it's either A, because there's not good trade setups, we might be changing cycles, changing phases, or B, I might have some personal things going on, and I think it is unnecessary and not a good idea for me to, give some trades out when I'm not there to watch them as well either. So, I just hope you respect that decision. Sometimes when I have things going on, I'll put off putting a trade because I want to be there to help you guys every step of the way. Disney's coming back, retracing down to that 20. Market's pulling back, though, a bit if you take a look at the Diamond ETF. So if you're in day trades, this is where you're saying, hey, might exit out of a day trade. Diamond ETF just had the 1020 cross below, staying below that 10 and 50 SMA. Disney so far might be getting a bounce off the 20 as it did back here at the 1045 candle, at the 1029 candle, and then again here at the 1014 candle. So we're going to be watching that. It's been holding that 20 the entire day so far. So keep a watch out. Look for that confirmation candle and BDM BOM cycles there. Marco said, check the chat room for my 2 trades I exited this morning. Let me go in the chat room here and see. Who was that? Marco, right?
AP reporting, Michael Bloomberg wins key South Carolina endorsement ahead of possible Democratic race.
J Unit says, check out Roku. Let's see, this is today 1 minute. Holding that 50, starting to break out again. That's looking good. Look up there for that 162.50. That could have a nice run right back up to 162.50. Could have another 1% move or higher. That's looking great there. Let's take a look at the 3-month. Guys, we went over this back when it was just having that cross. Do you remember? We went over this. I know we did, and I know we saved some of these Roku charts here. Bob Logan loves to trade Roku, so hopefully he's in that. I know we gave a trade idea on this because I remember this chart very clearly after having that breakdown there. Let me see. Marco, I'm looking. It must be from earlier this morning here. Still scrolling up here, Marco. Still not seeing anything. Yeah, I don't see anything, Marco. Nothing in the trade room. I don't see anything in the trade room from you, Marco. Let me see, maybe if I go something newer. Jay, yeah, I agree with you. That's coming up. Maybe they'll have a Black Friday special. Hey, I have to get 3 passes, I have to get one for me, Sophia, and Verge, so that's going to be like $3,000 right there. Posted at 11:04 a.m. Let me see. Oh, you're talking about the one just now. Let me see. Okay, I'm just looking at it now. Let's see here. Walmart 120 call. One contract. Buy. Nice, not bad, Marco. December 20th, 150 on Disney. Got a little bit out of the money there, but that's okay. Qualcomm, 90 strike. That's looking good. Ooh, Qualcomm's coming back up here. You guys see Qualcomm? I gotta get going. I hear her in the background here. Qualcomm came down to that 10, and I think she's going to have a nice breakout. Remember, they just upgraded this to $100 a share. Remember this trade we got in, guys? Buy to open, Qualcomm, 84 straight call, 225 per contract for November 15th. This is the one that was last week's expo. Wow. Remember this got up to like, what, $96? $95? $94? Wow, so that was worth $10. That's over a 500% return. Close to a 500% return if you held that. Marco, you're looking good. My mother-in-law had a date last night from this Scottish guy. He's here on vacation, and they actually went on a roller coaster at Universal. I was never at Universal yet. I was always in Disney. What is it called? The castle place, Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom. When I was younger, I went to Epcot. I think we need to go to Epcot, but Sophie likes Magic Kingdom. Great job, Marco. We are looking good. Our Walmart trade's back in the green. Disney's starting to climb. I'm really liking this week, guys. I think we're going to have a nice week this week. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to have to get off here quick because I have to take her to Customs and Immigration to get her citizenship. Big day, a big week for my wife, so very happy and pleased for her. So I'm going to go take care of that with her, and I'm going to be back by the end of the day. I'm going to drop her off at work as well.
November Victor Echo Echo Arlington Capital Partners agrees to sell.
Nice climb on Disney there. Nice candle there. Any last questions? Thank you, Tom. Thank you. Great morning, Dave. Thank you. Let's see YouTube anything. Marco Rossi says, great profits today, Dave. Andrew Rogers, Dave, thoughts on Ulta? It's my only swing I'm holding that I'm not certain about. Andrew, Ulta is incredible, and I might be adding to Ulta soon here. I like Ulta. That chart looks really great, guys. It's holding that 10 SMA and still climbing. As you guys can see, it's just starting its breakout momentum. You know, it's got some resistance right around 248, 249. Once it breaks that, our target is quite a bit higher. So I like that. It's looking good. Disney's running. Walmart's climbing. Our Nike trade is doing incredible. You know the Nike trade we're in, right? We're in the 93-94 vertical call spread. Nike's looking good here. Disney is still on the climb. Disney looked like it's in the next breakout momentum. Thank you, Skyjack. I appreciate that.
S&P futures,
I'm sure you're congratulating my wife, right? Thank you. And Tom, yes, I thought that was your son. Andrew says, thanks for the confirmation on that, Dave. No problem, Andrew. Disney's still continuing to run here, breaking higher. Guys, right now I'm up. Let me show you. I see here. So realized gain, you guys know I have the $549.57 gain. And then unrealized.
EA Electronic Arts, January 110 calls active, Echo Alpha. Currently 97.75 on EA.
So we're up $667 unrealized. It was just up $800. Doesn't matter. It's fluctuating up or down, you know, $100. And then we are up. Let me bring this one up. So first off, here it is. We're up $764.75 unrealized. and then realized we are up $549.57. So great day, guys. Our Disney trade's breaking out again. We're now up 17% on those Disney calls, up $650 on that trade. That's incredible. That one could easily have 100% return on that, which that's going to make us about a $4,000 profit. And she's still continuing to climb. Now up almost $700 on that Disney call. Here's that Disney trade. We're up $660 on Disney, up $5 on Walmart. And the Disney trade still climbing there. Looking good, guys. I'm going to head off now, and I will see you guys in the afternoon. I hope you're having a great day. Look at that Disney still climbing. Another big breakout on Disney coming, guys. Man, it's making it tough to leave this office. Love having days like this, especially when you start the week off nice. Alrighty, guys, I need to go get this taken care of, and I will see you guys in the afternoon here, alrighty? That Disney trade's looking incredible. She's still continuing to climb. Up 17.34%. Up 17.66%. Disney's looking nice, really breaking out here. Wow, there goes Disney again, guys. We're now up 19% on our Disney calls. Here's our Disney trade. We're up $722.42 on Disney. We're up 18.63% on that. And she's still climbing, guys. There she is. She's now up $760. Now we're up almost $800. Another big breakout here, guys. Here is Disney. Whoa, she's still climbing. Look at that big breakout. Up $847.42 now on Disney. Up 22% on that Disney call we just made. And that's for the February 21st, 2020 145 strike. Up 22% on that, guys. I told you, in my opinion, this is going to be an easy 100%er. So, hope you guys are in that. Those of you that are still in that Disney trade from this morning, you should have over 100% gain on that. A matter of fact, I'm going to close in these calls on Disney right now. We're up so much on them. I'd rather close them up, make some money on them, and then re-enter. Let's see if I can get 9.3 for them. There we go. It just sold the Disney, guys. And now my realized profit for the day. And here it is, guys. And you cannot beat a morning like this. Up $1,319.30 for the day. Let's go to E-Trade and pull up the trades itself. What a day, guys. So proud to be there with you. And that's how you make a quick $1,320 profit in less than 2 hours. Hour and a half. That's not bad. Someone's calling me. Let's see. And here is the trade, guys. So I want you guys to see this. Here are the profits from today, 11/18/2019, realized gains. And today's realized gain, $1,319.30. Here's the opening transactions. Here's the closing transactions. Here's the date, price, amount we paid, and then the date, price, and amount we sold for. And then here's the realized gain or loss on each of the trades. So the Disney trade right here, this is one trade. We paid $339 and we sold it for $395. That was our day trade I think we made in the morning, right? Oh, there's more here. Sorry, hold on. We made the 10 contracts. So we're in the 10 contracts here. A total of 10 contracts altogether. That looks weird. 10 contracts altogether. We are in for $339, out at $395, and that equals a $395. Divide that by 3.39. That was a 16.52. Now, if we held those, you could see what they're worth now, much more. And then this trade we bought for $775, sold it for $930, and that was a, let's see, 9.3. Divide that by 7.75, and we made a 20% gain on that. So we made a 16.52% gain and a 20% gain. And we made a quick $1,319.30. And we only used about $7,000 capital for that. So that $7,200 we entered is worth $8,600, when we closed. And the nice thing about this, these were small trades. You break these up, they were like a $3,000 trade and then a $3,800 trade. So they were small trades and they were really easy to make, guys. So that was our trades today. That looks great. Disney's still breaking out.
From the National Development Fund to pay for terrorism.
Disney's still on the climb, looking nice there.
People shot at an Oklahoma Walmart.
I'm going to make one more trade here, guys, on Disney. I'm going to get next week's expo, November 29th. Let's see what the 148. I'm going to go with the 149 strike. I should pick up the 150, but they're quite expensive. I'll pick up the 149 for the November 29th. See if we could get 299, 10 contracts. And there we go, guys. I am now in a new Disney trade. This is our third Disney trade. Here it is right here, the 149 strike call. I'm in for $2.97 a contract.
Another headline.
Let me bring that up.
Says at least 3 people were killed in the shooting at a Walmart in Duncan, Oklahoma.
3 people killed and shot at a Walmart in Duncan, Oklahoma.
According to the police.
Guys, 3 people killed.
Reported by not confirmed.
Here is the new trade on Disney that I just opened. For those of you that are taking a look at it, I'm already up $75 on this trade. Unbelievable. Alrighty, so the new Disney trade. This is our third Disney trade. I picked up the put on Disney there by accident. I didn't check that out. I had the puts from before, so I'm going to close that trade out right now. I actually have a profit on it. Sell to close. I'll sell it for 3.
Now a U.S. government filing, according to Reuters, says U.S. Commerce Department grants new 90-day license for U.S. firms to do business with Huawei. That from Reuters now. Early report from Fox Business.
I'm going to sell this one here. The 149 strike call, that's what we want to pick up. Okay, I sold that for $290, I think. I put in the order. Let me pull this up now. Call 149, 2.6. Our Walmart trade's really taking off now, guys. Walmart's up 3%. And that's looking great there, so I got to get going now, guys. It's 11:30. I'm going to be late for this, so I'm going to see you guys by the end of the day here, and we're going to look for some more swing trades. Great job today, guys, and I will see you guys. If you need anything, feel free to message me. And please, like I said, if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and if you'd like, go to www.thesantorelliexchange.com and sign up for our service, and we'll see you in the trade room. Take care, guys. Have a great day. God bless. And we will see you later. Futures are still ticking higher. Oh, look at that NVIDIA. NVIDIA looks like it's really going to break out here, guys. This is a big candle. We just broke resistance from earlier. We could see NVIDIA 220. NVIDIA is going to have a big climb. Remember, they just got upgraded to 240 a share. It's up 4% today, guys. Take a look. Get into some NVIDIA. I'm telling you, it looks like a great setup. Walmart's still running. We're up $80 on that, 3.36%. Looking great, guys. So I will see you guys later. Have a great day. God bless. And great job trading today, guys. Incredible job. Take a look here at the Disney 6-month. We just had a confirmed breakout. Disney's looking ready for a big run again. So make sure we're in that Disney trade. Alrighty, guys. Take care, and I will see you later. God bless, guys. I sold that Disney put, Chung. Chung just said I got that put by accident. I didn't look at the call there. I didn't look at the type. So I exited out of that put into the 149 straight calls, November 29, 265 by 271. Alrighty, guys. If you need anything else, please feel free to message me, and I'll see you guys in the trade room. Take care, guys. God bless, and great start to the week. Bye-bye.